Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super fun video for you. It is all about holiday gift wrapping. I remember when I was younger, my older sister got a seasonal job at Macy's wrapping Christmas presents for the holidays. She would come home with these really elaborate gift wrapping techniques, and I think I just fell in love. It didn't matter what gift was inside these boxes, just the way they were wrapped so intricately. I think my love for arts and craft was born in that very second. So today I'll be showing you creative ways to wrap your holiday presents. I'll be showing you a variety of different wrapping techniques and a lot of different color stories. Sometimes you feel like you want to go bold and glam. I've got a lot of black and leopards and mixed prints. Or sometimes you just feel like going soft and elegant with a mix of creams and golds. No matter what your style is, you'll be sure to find some awesome tips right in this video. Let's jump right in. I like to group my wrapping paper in different categories. One for something that's really dark and edgy, and another one that's really light and elegant. Let's start with our first gift. Using these 3 different rolls, I'll be wrapping a group of gifts with different styles and techniques. I want a coordinating band of paper to wrap around this existing gift. We'll go with this one. I like to lay out the ribbons to see what my different options are. We have one that's textured, one that's patterned, and one that's solid. Since we're going for a pattern mix here, I think I'm going to choose the one with a little bit of pattern. You want to measure the length of your ribbon so that you can get a nice little bow at the end. I always snip at an angle so it gives the ribbon a beautiful finishing touch. Some things are meant to stay. Some things we can do. Come out wherever you are. Let them see you blue. Come out wherever you are. Come out and see through. for the finishing touch, I love these metal labels. They're typically used for storage baskets or cabinets, but I like to use them as gift tags. All I need to do is write the name on and attach it to the gift, and there you have it. The larger the gift, the more you can have fun with wrapping paper. I love to use at least 3 different wrapping papers on these large gifts, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Since I love a great pattern mix, the black and gold and white plaid just adds such an edgy vibe to this. So we're gonna wrap this up and then use some of the contrasting papers for an edge band. I love this ribbon because you can see that you can use both sides of it. There's the black side with the little red trim, and there's an all red side. At the beginning of the holiday season, I always head over to Michael's and try to purchase a bunch of these $1 decorative trimming. I love to use it to add that whimsical touch to these gifts.
Some things are meant to stay. Some things begin anew. Come out wherever you are. Let them see you.
That was an entire day's worth of wrapping. I am beat, but I am so happy with how these gifts turned out. I hope the recipients love the gift as much as I love wrapping them. It's just as important to put thought into the gift as it is to put into the wrapping. Just think back to a time when you received this awesome gift with this beautiful, extravagant wrapping and how that made you feel. So imagine you can do this for your friends and family this season and they'll feel exactly the same way you did. If you like this type of content, please give this video a thumbs up. Please comment below on what your favorite technique was in this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Happy holidays, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.